Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Uptime Kuma on a VPS for website monitoring, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, access your VPS using SSH. Open your terminal or command prompt. Type SSH your username at your VPS IP and hit enter. Replace your username with your actual username. Replace your VPS IP with the IP address of your VPS. Enter your password when prompted. Next, update your package list. Run the command sudo apt update. Once the update completes, install Docker. Execute the command sudo apt install docker.io. After Docker is installed, start the Docker service. Use the command sudo system to start Docker. To ensure Docker runs on startup, type sudo system to enable Docker. Now, verify the Docker installation. Run Docker version to check if Docker is correctly installed. Next, install Docker Compose. Enter the command sudo apt install docker compose. Once Docker Compose is installed, create a directory for Uptime Kuma. Type dir Uptime Kuma and navigate into it. Use cd Uptime Kuma to change into the directory. Now, pull the Uptime Kuma Docker image. Run sudo docker pull /uptime Kuma. After the image is downloaded, create a Docker Compose file. Use the command nano dockercompose.yml to open a text editor. Copy and paste the following configuration into the file: YAML version, 3 services, Uptime Kuma, image, /uptime Kuma ports, 3001 to 3001 volumes, /data/app/data press Ctrl+X, then Y, and hit enter to save and exit. Next, start the Uptime Kuma service with Docker Compose. Run the command sudo docker compose upd. This command will run Uptime Kuma in detached mode. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.